I'm taking portraits of strangers. Do you have 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. If you just stand there. 3, 2, 1. Camera's not focusing. It's not great, is it? 3, 2, 1. And look that way for me. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hi, sorry to disturb you. I'm a street photographer. I'm taking portraits of strangers. I really like the outfit. Do you have 2 minutes? Yeah? Yeah, I'm sure. You sure? I post on TikTok. It might go. Yeah. I mean, I can. So, let's say if you turn and face that way. Awesome. Okay. Lean here for me. Exactly like that. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Take a landscape shot. And looking at the camera. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. What else? Oh, let's do a walking shot. The lighting, there's loads of shadows on your face. 3, 2. No. Just it's like a paparazzi shot. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Awesome. Okay, one more time. We're gonna do it 2 more times. One more photo, and then I'm gonna do a slow motion video of you. Yeah? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Sweet. And then next one, video. Same thing, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. Thank you. I'll show you the video. Vibes.
Thank you.
No worries, yeah. So,
Exchange.
yeah. Oh, thanks.
I do content as well.
Oh, sweet. What kind of content? Hi guys, I'm a street photographer. I'm taking portraits of strangers. Do you have 2 minutes for some photos?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Like we have billboards in China somewhere, right?
No, you'll just film my TikTok account. That's it. Yeah, all good? Okay, let's have you lean on this. I'm going to do separate ones. That way I can get 2 posts.
30 seconds. So.
Oh yeah, good. So just lean on this lamppost real quick.
Smile, no smile.
No smile. Thank you. 1 second, I'll just wait for these cars. Come on. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And then look that way. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2,